Today we are seeing or we are learning development of cone. Question is like that. A cone having diameter of base 50 mm and 60 mm long axis is resting on its base on HP. The section plane perpendicular to BP and inclined at 45 degree to the HP bisect the axis of the cone. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the remaining portion of the. Now this is the question. Now in this question, tell me which solid is given? Which solid is given? Cone. You know that cone having how many base? One base. And what is the shape of the base? Circle. When cone is resting on HP, and if you observe the cone from the top, what is the top view? What is the top view? Circle. Circle is the top view. And what is the front view? When you observe from the front side, that is triangle. So first step, what you have to do? You have to draw XY line. That is reference axis. Then draw top view as a circle. And as our standard procedure, divide circle into how many parts? 12 equal parts. So dimension of base is given correct. How much? 50 mm diameter of base. What is the radius? 25. So take the radius 25 mm and draw a circle as a top view. And divide this circle into how many equal parts? 12 equal. So you have to divide it properly. Already you know how to divide. So I have divided A, B, C, D up to N. These 12. Next step, take projection of each and every point vertically upwards up to reference axis X1. Now axis height is given in our question. Yes. What is the axis height? 60 mm. In your question it is given 60 mm. So center is O. Now here you can find the projection of the D dash, J, J dash. So from here, center, you have to take 60 mm and mark point dash. That is your apex of the cone. And front view, already we know what is the front view of the cone. That is triangle. So join O dash, A dash, and O dash, G dash. You know that our front view we are denoting letter with dash. So A becomes A dash, B becomes B dash, L becomes L dash. Like this, all points we are getting up to G dash. Then you have to join each and every letter, that is O dash, A dash, O dash, B dash, then O dash, C dash, O dash, E dash, and O dash, F dash. So like this you have to show all the generators of the cone. And front view you have to make it properly dark in one stroke only. Top view also it should be visible and it should be dark. In the top view and front view of the cone. Now we have to start development of cone. To draw development of cone, we have to use radial line method. We have to use radial line method. So for that, there is a calculation. So calculation of theta. Calculation of theta means theta is nothing but subtended angle. How to calculate theta? So for that, first we have to calculate slant height of the cone. If you see the cone, and if you see O dash, D dash, G dash, this is the right angle triangle. And we know that right angle triangle, the Pythagoras theorem, what is that? Hypotenuse square equal to a square plus height square. By using that Pythagoras, we can calculate slant height. This is the slant height, O dash, D dash. So that is L. L is equal to square root of R square plus A square. R is radius of the your circle. Nothing but D dash, D dash, D dash. It is nothing but radius. So it is 25 square plus H. H is the axis height. O dash, D dash. So it is 60. So under root 25 square plus 60 square. After solving this, we are getting answer 65. Okay. Now we got slant height. That is here. So we have to calculate now subtended angle theta. That is calculated by using formula theta equal to small r upon L. R is nothing but radius of the circle. L is nothing but slant height of the your cone multiplied by 360. So So R25, here 65, 25 divided by 65 to 360 degree. So we are getting theta approximately it is equal to 130 degree. It is 138 degree. The next step here on codex, with the help of your doctor, just draw a horizontal line, small horizontal line, parallel to x. Then on that line, mark any point O. Anywhere you can mark any point O. So from O, draw a parallel line OA. Draw a parallel line OA such that OA equal to 65 mm and it is parallel to codex Z. Understand this? OA equal to how much? 65 mm and this is parallel to how much? Which line? Codex Z. Then take compass and with the help of compass, take distance in the compass OA. OA and with center O, draw a big arc. Draw a big arc. Then next, take angle protractor. We have calculated subtended angle how much? 138 degrees. Put angle protractor on OA and mark the angle how much? 138 degrees. And draw a line from O which will cut the big arc at point A. Here for development you have to give capital letters only. You have to give capital letters only. Then mark this angle how much? 138 degrees. Now we have seen that we have drawn this arc and then we have taken angle how much? 138 degrees, subtended angle. And we have drawn a line OA. Next, divide this angle or you can say arc into 12 parts because we have divided circle into 12 parts. We have to divide it into 12 equal parts and give the name for each part, B, C, D up to F. We got 12 parts. Then next, in our question it is mentioned that actually this is the plane development of cone before section plane passing through the cone. But in our question it is mentioned that a section plane is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to the HP and bisect the axis of the cone. Bisect means that plane is passing through the midpoint of the cone. Midpoint of the axis of the cone. So what you have to do? First you have to take the midpoint of the axis. Total height of the axis is how much? 60. What is the midpoint? Midpoint come at 30 mm. So from base take how much? 30 mm. Mark the point. Draw a small horizontal line. Then take angle protector. Put angle protector on midpoint. And take angle how much? 45 degree. Then draw the section plane which will cut the generator of cone. This distance you have to show 30 mm. So examiner will let know that at what distance section plane is passing. Right? If you see that this section plane is cutting each and every generator of the cone, so it will cut O dash A dash at point P dash. So you have to give the name P dash. It will cut O dash B dash at point Q dash. Similarly, O dash C dash at point R dash. O dash D dash at point S dash. O dash E dash at point T dash. O dash F dash at point U dash. Last is O dash B dash at point V dash. You have to give the name P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, T dash, U dash and V dash. Next step. From each intersection point, draw a horizontal line up to OA. Draw a horizontal line up to OA. So from P dash you have to draw horizontal line that is parallel to X1. Then from Q dash also draw horizontal line. From R dash also draw horizontal line. From S dash, from T dash, from U dash and last is from V dash. Then take compass, take distance in the compass O dash to line coming from P dash. This line, first line. Correct? With center pole, draw an arc. Draw an arc up to the point. Draw an arc up to the point. Similarly, from each line, that is line coming from Q dash with center pole, take this distance and draw an arc up to the. Okay. So at the same procedure or same way, you have to draw arc from line coming from R dash, line coming from S dash. So take distance and accordingly complete the arcs. So we have drawn the curve from each and every line, that is line coming from P, Q. Okay. So all curves we have drawn. Then again you have to focus on front view. Now in the front view, we are having this P dash, Q dash, R dash, that is on each and every generator. Now carefully observe, P dash will be on which generator? Here it is O dash, A dash. So here, when curve intersecting the generator, you have to see OA. So this point is nothing but capital P. I already told you that for development you have to do capital letters. So it is on OA, P is on OA, that's why it is on OA. This point is P. Again, here it is also, it is on OA, so it is P. This curve coming from P. So we get intersection point here, P and P. Correct? Understood? Next, Q is on OB as well as OL. Carefully observe. This Q dash is on O dash, B dash and O dash, L dash. That means Q will be on OB, so curve coming from Q, which is the curve, this is the curve, second curve. So this intersection point, that is on OB, so it is Q, capital Q. At the same time it is on OL, so it is also a capital Q. Understood? Next, R. R dash is on O dash, C dash and O dash, K dash. So this curve coming from R. R is on OC, here is OC. This is intersection point R, capital R. At the same time it is on OK. This is R. Next, yes. Yes is on OD and OJ. So curve coming from S. Where is OD? Here OD and here OJ. So curve coming from S. So this intersection point is yes, capital S, and it is on OJ. This is also a capital S. Similarly, T dash is on O dash, C dash and O dash, I dash. That means OE and OI. So curve coming from T. So this is OE. So this curve intersect here on this generator OE. At the same time it is on OI. Understood? The next U dash will be on O dash, F dash and O dash, H dash. So OF. This is my OF. So curve coming from U. So this is capital U, intersection point. At the same time it is on OH, and last point is V. So V is on O dash, A dash or OG. This is my generator OG. So curve coming from V. So this is the intersection point and this is V. So we got all the points on the all generators of the code. So what you have to do with the help of French curve? Join P to Q, Q to R. You have to draw a smooth curve, not straight line, because it is a cone. So you have to draw a smooth curve, joining P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and again from V to U, T, S, R, U, and P, and again make it dark. This one. This also you have to make it dark. This is your required development of the lateral surface of the second portion of the cone. This is the required final development of the. Understood?